Hey everyone, welcome back to the Africoiner channel. I'm Confidence and I am the Africoiner. And I just want to say, man, I'm so excited to record this video because I haven't done a video in a very long time. And yeah, here I'm back, 2022, and I hope that everybody has started their year with a vibrant start, should I say. And I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who has followed me, who has followed us last year in our journey and I've interacted with in terms of cryptocurrency and everything. And I hope to see you again this year in 2022 as we trying to make things even more better and educate each other on cryptocurrencies in the African continent. Yeah, I'm back and I just want to say and mention this is our Twitter page, and basically I tweeted about most of the stuff basically, but yeah, mostly it's about Twitter, crypto. I tweet about crypto, and of course, because I am a farmer, also I get involved. I get to retweet and tweet about farming also. So you'll see a couple of other tweets that go there and about. But yeah, basically this is our Twitter page. So please show us some love by following me on Twitter. The handle is Africoiner at Africoiner, and also do not forget to follow us on YouTube. And I'm so excited, by the way, that I have 404 subscribers. And I just want to say thank you to everybody who is subscribing. If you are among these 404 subscribers, I just want to say you mean a lot to me. What you've done for me by following me means a lot to me. And I just want to say thank you. And I just wish you a very great year in 2022. So yeah, let's get down to business. I've got a lot of followers, and the number of people who have been communicating with me and asking me about exchanging from one token to the other. I also have a number of clients who have been, who used to buy Bitcoin from me, and now they are really interested in like investing into other cryptocurrencies. And like, so I just made this video so that you guys can understand like how this thing works, of converting your Bitcoin or any other crypto that you want to convert into some other crypto. And also I forgot to mention here that we've got a Discord channel that we recently launched. There's no like a lot of people in the Discord channel yet, and there's not much activity, but please do jump in. I'll share the link below in the description so that you guys can jump into the Discord. We've got a number of topics that we discuss, from DeFi, crypto, NFTs, and also probably a podcast that will be talking about crypto, of course. And we also allow in the Discord for people to discuss about movies and music. We even listen to music sometimes, like at the same time, with a couple of friends who have joined in already into the Discord server. And also there is a crypto chat room where you can actually listen to other people talk. So please do jump in, and let's get rolling and having more fun. And if you have any questions, please just get into the Discord server and then we can take it from there. I can answer your questions there fast because I spend most of my time on Discord. So yeah, let's get down to business, guys. Like I said, I just want to show a couple of people who are interested in how to exchange from one token to another. So I've seen a couple of people use the popular blockchain.info website, or blockchain.com actually, to exchange their tokens from one token to the other. But I think basically it's a bit more expensive to use a wallet to exchange from one token to other, unless you are really in a huge, or you are in you are really in a rush for you to exchange those cryptocurrencies. But if you are not in a rush, it's not advisable. I don't advise you to use exchanges that are on this platform. The reason being that they are more expensive. They have really huge fees for you to make that exchange. So because I've tried it before, I don't want you to make the same mistake, because these guys, they charge you over 10% for you to convert your crypto into another crypto, which is really not necessary, because they are cheaper and easier ways that you just have to learn. So the first thing that you need for you to be able to do that is for you to have a Gmail account, right? So if you do not have one, make sure you create a Gmail account. So just go on gmail.com and just create an account. So I'm not gonna go through this process because I already have an account. I already have an email per se. So I'm gonna jump this stage, but I hope you guys can figure this out. So there are a number of exchanges that you will see that are available where you can exchange your crypto from one crypto to the other, and there are also a number of there are different types of exchanges also that you come to learn of. So there are centralized exchanges, there are decentralized exchanges. Those are the most popular that you will find, and there are peer-to-peer exchanges. So all of these, they fall into these categories, but we are not gonna get down into those categories. I'll probably make another video of how you can then get to understand the different types of exchanges that exist today. So there, like I said, there are a number of exchanges, I mean, I don't know if it's thousands, but hundreds of them. And if you go to CoinMarketCap and you go and click on exchanges here on top, you see here it even tells you that there are spot, if you want to do derivatives, if you want to look for a decentralized exchange, that is what DEX mean, DEX, right? So you scroll down, you see that there are a number of exchanges, and depending on your location, all of these exchanges operate in different environments. There are exchanges that work in some environments and some that don't work in some environments. Like if you look at an example of Binance, right? I think this is one of the biggest exchanges. It has a score rating of 9.9, which is almost 10 out of 10, right? Because it's a good exchange, it's reliable in a way, and it has a huge volume. Like if a crypto is trading on Binance, chances are high that you will not have any issue with the liquidity, I mean. So as you can see, it has a huge volume here. So it's more dependable, and that's why it has this exchange score rate. Of course, it comes from a number of things. It is contributed by a number of things. So just make sure whenever you are picking up an exchange, you also come and check it out here. What's its score rating? Like you can see, some exchanges are on the red. They have really low exchange rate. That means chances of you may be losing money might be a bit high. I mean, so yeah, CoinMarketCap has about 308, a total of about 308 exchanges that it listed here, right? This is the last one. It has a score rating of 0.1 and average liquidity. It's not available. Maybe they don't have that information. But anyway, like I was saying, these exchanges, they operate in different environments. I'll give you an example of Binance. Binance does not operate in Zimbabwe. That's the country where I'm from. and I cannot access Binance as a Zimbabwean. So that's really funny. And totally they don't even allow you to use any feature that is found on the Binance platform, unless you find your way around. There are people who do that, but I don't advise you to do illegal stuff, so that you can get to use an exchange. Instead, you could use an exchange that is favorable in your country, that works in your country, where you are accepted as a legal trader on their platform. There are quite a number of examples, like Kraken. I'm so sure Kraken is allowed, like, in my country. KuCoin. Coinbase allows you to use some of its features. Bitfinex works in Zimbabwe, and quite a number of them. I don't know which country you're from, but you can always just click on whatever exchange you want to see if you are able to use it, and just try to visit their website by clicking their website here, and then you can find out by trying to register here. If I try to register, it will not allow me because of my location. So I'll go ahead and create an account on an exchange that I am allowed to use. An example is KuCoin, right? And another exchange that I use frequently, it's called MEXC, right? So it has a rating of 5.7. This is like an exchange from like China, something like that, I think. And for me, it works very well. It has good liquidity. Even here, the rating is good. The liquidity is here 514 million, which is quite good for me, right? So I'll just go ahead and create an account here. So I'll drop in my link below, right, of where you can sign up on MEXC, on MEXC. Okay, they used to call it MEXC actually. I think they changed by adding this E on their domain. So I'll go ahead and click on that link. And remember, guys, for you to support me, you have to I'll share my referral link, so please make sure you just sign up using my referral link, so that whenever you make a trade, I also get to benefit, since I have shared this with you. So go ahead and sign up. So it requires you to either enter your mobile number or your email. So I'll not use mobile because I've discovered that they didn't list Zimbabwe here, right? But still they allow us to trade even using the IP address from Zimbabwe. So I'll go ahead and sign up here. So I'm gonna hide my email anyway, but you guys can just go ahead and copy what I'm doing here. All right. So now it requires me to type in a password, right? And also I'm gonna hide that, but anyway, I'm going ahead and type a strong password actually. So here these three bars are telling me if this is a strong password, right? So I'll go ahead and repeat that password to confirm it, and it tells me that this is indeed a correct password. So I'll get a code. So this one has a little bit of a new capture thing, right? Which is a bit different. But anyway, it requires you to kind of select these objects that you see here in that order. So I'll go ahead and do that. Then select that. Select that. Okay. It tells me to try again. Okay, I'll try again. There you go. There you go. Then I'll say okay. All right. So if you go ahead and check in your email, you'll find out there's a link that would have been sent. There's an email in your inbox that will give you a verification code that you're supposed to put in here. So I'll just go ahead and do that. I'll go and check my email. Just a moment. And I have received the verification code. So I won't show you my email here, guys, but I'll just type in my verification code. Okay. right? So it's asking me for a referral code, right? So if you guys, like I said, since you guys are signing up using like my this tutorial, I would urge you to please try to like sign up using the referral link that I'll send, that I'll put in the description below, so that you guys can sign up using my my referral link. And if you don't want to use the referral link, and if you just go ahead and sign up and it's asking you for the referral code here, you just have to type in my my referral code instead of using the link. It works both ways. So I'll just type in my referral code here, ZNA with a capital A. Yeah. So go ahead and click on I have read and agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. If you want to go through this, it's still okay, guys. It will open a new tab for you to read through this. I have read through this before, and what it says and the likes is a very not really long, but it's a bit long, but it's very important for you to read and go through this agreement. And the next thing you have to do is to sign up. Okay, so there you go. We can now log in into our account. So let's try that again. I'll try with the email that I have signed up with. Okay, then I'll put in my password. Then I'll go ahead and have to verify again. Okay, in that order. There you go. There you go. Okay, I'm in. Now it needs an email verification code. So they're going to send another email verification code. So you have to go back into your email again, refresh it, so that you can check for new emails. So instead of also just having all this whole process, you could also make use of what is called a Google Authenticator. I'm not gonna go through that, but just know that you can use what is called a Google Authenticator to authenticate your account, so that you don't get hacked in case you get to trade really huge amounts, right? So it's asking me to set my nickname. I'll just call myself an Africoiner. Well, because an Africoiner is an African who holds Bitcoin. All right, very important here, security center, right? Just make sure you go ahead here and please set up the Google Authenticator. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick. So you have to download this Authenticator. There's the Google Authenticator and there's Authy. I'm so sure that both of those work. And here MEXC gives you a tutorial on how you can download all of these applications and how you can get to access them. So I'm not going to do that because I already have these applications in my phone. And very important, please make sure you copy this key right here, because it's gonna be important to you. This key that is coming out here, make sure you copy it, right, like I did here, and paste it somewhere where it's very safe, so that in case you lose your phone, you can still access your account. So remember that is a very important step. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and scan this. Done. I'm gonna go to the next step of verifying. So now the first thing that this thing needs, it's my password. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Then it needs me to get a code again in my email to verify. Okay, so let's just wait for the email, and in a second I should be able to receive the email. And as I'm waiting for the email, guys, I just want to remind you to subscribe to the channel if you really like the content that I am sharing with you, so that it gets recommended to other people and they get to see what I was talking about. Okay, and my email is here, so I'm gonna put in my code. Okay, then that's the Google Authenticator now code that is wanted. So there you go. I'm gonna type it in. Some people, they just copy and paste it depending on the operating system that you're using. So we have been verified. All right, there you go. So my account risk level is changed from low to medium, which is good, and I'm so sure we can get to use the exchange from here going forward. So the next thing that you want to do is to click on account. So you hover onto assets, then you click on account here. So after you do that, I just want to explain how this part of the exchange works. So this is the part where you get to fund your account with some money. This is where you fund your account with some money, right? Be it cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, be it USDT, be it Tron, whatever. There are a couple of tokens here that you can deposit. So for you to locate whatever token that you want to deposit, right, we have to search if it is available on the exchange. Let's say Litecoin. So you have to use the ticker symbol, right? So the ticker symbol, I'll just get back to CoinMarketCap. For example, Bitcoin. Excuse me for my hoarse voice. I just woke up and decided to make this video for you guys. Okay. All right. So like Bitcoin here has a ticker symbol of BTC. That is what we call the ticker symbol. So if you really don't know which cryptocurrency, the ticker symbol for the cryptocurrency that you have, you just go ahead here and type in, like I'm going to type in Litecoin here, all right? The ticker symbol for Litecoin is LTC. So you go back to the exchange, you type LTC like I did here. Then the next thing that you do, you over here and click deposit. Okay. So the next thing that you want to do is for you to generate a new address for you to make the deposit. So you go ahead and click generate address. All right. It will tell me to ensure your safety, blah blah blah. You send a token deposit information to your bound email, blah 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 blah. Check carefully whether the deposit address information is consistent with the address information obtained on the website. Okay, so this is just to make sure you guys don't deposit to the wrong address or to like a hacker's address. So it will send you an email that will have this, that will confirm that this is the address that you are seeing on this website, which is like a great security like feature, should I say. So yes, if you have the LTC with you, or you have the BTC, or you have Tron, or you have USDT, all you have to do is to go ahead and copy this and paste it into your wallet and send that BTC or LTC, right? And after whatever crypto that you have deposited has reflected in your account, which will take probably 30 minutes, an hour, depending on which cryptocurrency you have deposited. For USDT, it's almost as instant. For Ethereum, it takes some time. For Bitcoin, it takes 30 minutes, an hour, depending on the traffic on the blockchain, right? After you do that, now you have to go on spot trading, right? You just have to ignore that pop-up message. So go here, over here on trade, and click on spot. Okay, and it will bring you to this page. So let's say you have deposited your LTC, right? But here, as you can see, the ticker symbols that are here, BTC and USDT, right, which is Bitcoin against the USD tether. What you have to do here is come and type in the ticker symbol for whatever you want to trade. So let's say you want to trade your LTC to USDT. You come and click here LTC, against USDT. Then the next thing that you have to do, since you are a beginner, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna say this. This is not for pros. This is for beginners. You're trying to minimize the amount of money that you're gonna like lose on an exchange. So, like I said, we are avoiding using platforms like blockchain or wallets to exchange our tokens, right? So what you have to do is go ahead and click on market, right? Since we want to sell our LTC here, say I had some LTC, like 1 LTC or 3 LTC, I don't know. I haven't deposited LTC, but I'm just saying this. If you follow what I'm saying, you get it right. So the next thing, you have to slide in your amount, right? To say I want to sell all of the LTC. If you want to sell 50%, just slide in to 50. It's possible. That's it. If you want to sell, I don't know, 20%, I don't know, 10%, I don't know. But if you want to sell all of your Litecoin or whatever token that you have, just slide it to 100%. Make sure you are clicked on market and make sure you just click on sell my LTC. And it will convert your LTC to USDT. Now, you want to buy Ethereum using your USDT. So now you have USDT. The next thing that you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and look for Ethereum. So like I said again, if you don't know the ticker symbol, you go ahead and type Ethereum here, and to tell you the ticker symbol, which is ETH. Because if you come here and type Ethereum, it will not show you anything, right? It will say no data, right? So now you want to exchange your Ethereum into USDT, into your USDT into Ethereum, right? So let's go ahead and click on Ethereum USDT. Now, again, because we are still a beginner, make sure you're clicked on markets. Make sure you go and slide it to 100%. Then buy Ethereum. And after you're done with that, you now have your Ethereum. This will happen automatically because the market itself is what is gonna execute your order. So there's nothing much to worry about. Now you have your Ethereum. The next thing you do, go back to your assets and click on account. Now you want to withdraw your Ethereum to your MetaMask or whatever you want to do. Like I said, if you type in Ethereum, you will not find it. But if you type the ticker symbol Ethereum, you'll find it. Then you click on withdraw, right? So you need to read this following carefully. That's what the exchange says. Withdrawing your assets to an unreliable platform may result in complete and irreversible losses of your assets. So you will not get back that money if you deposit to an unreliable platform. You will not go back to these exchanges and say, I sent this money, can you please reverse it? It's not possible, right? Purchasing and withdrawing tokens on behalf of others to aid and abet illegal activities may result in prosecution. Due to increased number of scams and malicious actors, always check a public address carefully before initiating a withdrawal. So just go ahead and tick those 3 to acknowledge that I have read this. And you're going to take the 4th box here to say I acknowledge and accept the implication of this notice, and click OK. So now here comes the part where you need to withdraw your tokens. All right, so you will need to get your Ethereum address. So let me just try to log in into my MetaMask real quick. Again, I will not show that here, but believe me, I'm logging in into my MetaMask. So I'll copy the address and paste it here. That's my address for my Ethereum. Okay, now if you want to withdraw all the amount that you have in the exchange, just click on select all, then submit. Now the challenge here is the minimum transaction amount that you can send out using on this exchange is supposed to be 0.01, and the fee is 0.005. Let's just try to calculate that. The price of Ethereum is what? 3,818. Okay, so if I say 3,818 multiplied by 0.005, that's like 19 bucks for you to withdraw your Ethereum from this. So you have to have more than $19 for you to withdraw Ethereum from MEXC. I got that correct this time. All right, so basically that's it, guys. That's it. I don't want to go further from this tutorial because I'll end up confusing you. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that was straightforward. I'm sorry I didn't use practical funds, but I didn't want to take more time to wait for the deposits to reflect in the exchange and blah 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 blah. But this is I think this was straightforward for you to understand. And if you have failed to understand any stage of this tutorial, just make sure you reach out to me. Like I said, you can reach out to me on my Discord, and you can get to we can chat on that platform. Let me just bring up the Discord real quick. There it is. Okay, like I said, we've got a lot of things that we discuss about NFTs. It's still pretty new, by the way, so there isn't much to see. But if you guys joining into the Discord server, and I'm gonna share the link below, then you guys will we'll join the community, and we get to share some of the things that are really important to know in the crypto space. And for 2022, for all of you who want to invest into cryptocurrencies, so do not forget to follow me on my Twitter page, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Please go and destroy that like button, and also go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Recommend this channel to your friends and share this video with somebody else. With that said, I just want to thank you. If you really watched this video to the end, I just want to thank you. I just want to thank you so much for following this tutorial to the end. And have a great 2022, and I'll see you in the next video.